In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking in Asana. We'll walk through how to turn on time tracking in a project and how to log both estimated time and actual time for your tasks, so you can better understand where your workday is going. Start by logging into your Asana account and going to your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation panel with your different projects. Find the project where you want to track time. This might be a team project, a client project, or even your personal task list. Click on that project to open it in the main area of your screen. Once the project is open, make sure you're viewing it in list view. List view shows your tasks in rows, with different columns for task details. If you're not in list view, look for the view options at the top of the project and switch over. Time tracking works best and is easiest to use in this layout. Now, look across the top of your task list to see all the existing columns, like task name, assignee, due date, and so on. Move your attention to the far right side of these columns. If you don't see any time tracking columns yet, you'll need to add them. At the very end of the header row, you should see a small plus icon. Click this plus icon to add a new field. A search bar or menu will appear where you can browse available fields. Type time tracking into the search, then select the time tracking option from the results. As soon as you add it, Asana will automatically create two new columns in your list, one for estimated time and one for actual time. Next, let's add values. In the estimated time column, click on the cell for the task you want to update. Type in how long you expect that task to take. For example, you might enter 1H for 1 hour or 30 minutes for 30 minutes, depending on your team's conventions. This gives you a clear plan for how much time you're budgeting for each task. To track actual time, move to the cell in the actual time column for the same task. On the right side of that field, you'll see a small play button. Click this play button when you start working on the task. Asana will begin timing in the background while you work. When you finish, click the button again to stop the timer, and the total time spent will be recorded automatically in that actual time field. If you prefer to enter time manually, or you forgot to start the timer, you can still log your time. Instead of using the play button, click the drop-down icon on the right side of the actual time cell. This will let you type in the amount of time you spent on the task. For example, if you already tracked your time elsewhere, just convert it and enter the total here. By combining estimated time and actual time for each task, you can compare how long you thought something would take versus how long it really did. Over time, this helps you improve your planning, spot tasks that consistently run over, and make more realistic schedules for yourself and your team. And that's all you need to start using time tracking in Asana. Open your project in list view, add the time tracking field, fill in your estimates, and either run the timer or enter your actual time manually.